you've been injured at work in California, you report it to your employer sends you to the industrial clinic, and the industrial clinic writes you off of work for, let's say, 6 weeks. Now, what you have to be concerned about is that after 6 weeks, when you go back to see the industrial clinic, it might be a rotating doctor. You get a different doctor and they say, you're all better, you can go back to work. So they make you permanent and stationary, give you 0% permanent impairment, send you back to work without restrictions. Now, you have to go back to your job to present the work slip, and you can't do the job, so a lot of people just don't show up. They lose their job for no call, no show. And this is why, if you've been injured at work in California, you need to seek the advice of an attorney and probably hire an attorney as soon as you can. Because what happens is that people think, or workers think, that, well, the adjuster's paying me and I'm being seen by a doctor, so I'm going to be taken care of. Well, the adjuster is going to get sick and tired of paying you, and the doctors are paid by the adjusters. So the doctors have a tendency to send people back to work, cut your benefits off early. Now, if you're watching this video, it's good because you're going to learn something. You're going to learn that there's such thing as a medical provider network, and you have a right after your first visit, or after the first 30 days of treatment, to change doctors to another doctor in the network. Now, these networks can be quite small and still be controlled by the workers' compensation insurance adjusters, but you have a better shot if you're getting away from the industrial clinic. You have a better shot at getting more benefits, staying off of work longer while you heal, getting more treatments. I hope that helps you understand that you need to call a lawyer as soon as possible, even if you think you're being taken care of. If you have any further questions, leave them in the comments below. I'd be happy to make a video answering those questions. But remember, this is not legal advice. Legal advice is something you get from a lawyer after sharing the specific facts and circumstances of your case with that lawyer and getting that individualized feedback. This is general information only. It's meant to educate you, help you understand that you need to call a lawyer as soon as possible if you're injured at work.